Invented in the mid-1800s, glass-lined steel is the fusion bonding of multiple layers of glass onto a specially treated steel substrate with firings in between in a high temperature furnace, and each step of the manufacturing is carefully quality controlled with an end product that has both the properties of glass as well as steel. Dominated by a few old school manufacturers of process equipment, glass-lined steel equipment has seen a lack of innovation over the last 50 some years, until in 2007, under new management, Thaletec became an innovation powerhouse steeped in the German tradition of manufacturing excellence and with an R&D centric mindset and culture that studied the customer issues and brought real solutions to the market. Now I'll turn the microphone over to my colleague Torsten Koloska that will explain some of these in more detail.
Hi, I'm Torsten. I'm chemical engineer and working in the sales department for Thaletec since 20 years almost. Tom brought it up. We have some great innovations here on the powder show. We are talking now about abrasion-resistant gas. When you mix solid particles in water-like solutions, you get a lot of abrasion on your mixer, on your reactor wall. This glass is proven from customers 1.6 times longer lifetime compared to the standard dark blue chemical glass. Another great innovation is an antistatic glass lining. This is our condensate gas. Mixing solid particles in organic solvent creates electric charges. Those charges grow larger and sparks appear and destroy the glass. They create small pinholes, and this is the only glass available on the market fully conductive through all layers that dissipates electric charges. Another thing is the thermoglass. This template here allows us to build very efficient glass-lined heat exchangers. We coat those heat exchanger tubes and build weather integrated heat exchangers in a reactor, as you can see over here. Instead of a standard baffle, we install those, or you can use them as external head condensers on top of your glass-lined reactor. Unique is the 3 times more performant heat transfer value compared to a jacketed glass-lined reactor. The connection of the tube and tube sheet is gasket-free. You see the tube is grinded, the hole is grinded, the tube is cooled down with liquid nitrogen inserted in the tube sheet, and this connection comes without any gasket, which is very important for heat exchangers. Gaskets fail from time to time, like we have them on graphite heat exchangers, glass heat exchangers, silicon carbide heat exchangers. This one comes without any gasket. It's unique on the market. It's a very reliable product, and yeah, great to have it here. When it comes to repair on glass-lined equipment, we have those glass-lined repair patches. Typically, all customers say, hey, I know tantalum repair patches. This is the common technology. But since a few years, we developed glass-lined repair patches to eliminate all disadvantages of the tantalum patches that fail easily when you have vacuum. The gasket fails. Here we have real steel bolts, glass-coated. We can apply high torques on this gasket. This repair is considered as fail-safe. Those patches, here's another example, can be pressure tested. When you remove this cap, you can add here a small battery-driven air pump to pressurize the whole patch with a leakage spray. The fitter can detect any leakage of the gasket. It's very easy, and once it is installed, we are sure that it is fail-safe.